So do you also wish to re-engage your old leads by sending bulk WhatsApp messages? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly and let's see how to do this. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard inside Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move in further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only sending bulk WhatsApp messages, but you can do much more using Pabbly Chatflow. You can create AI chatbots, you can create normal chatbots, and also we offer a mobile application too, using which you can manage all your chats. But I'll just suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how we can send these bulk WhatsApp messages. For that, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have already done. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, the video tutorial is given in the description box below, using which you can learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to click on this button right over here. Now let's just move on the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow because we want to re-engage our old leads sending bulk WhatsApp messages like this. For that, just go on this broadcast section and click on this add broadcast button. Now it is saying broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. For the name of the broadcast, you can name it according to your own choice. I'm just going to name this as old leads. Let's say I'm just going to name it as old leads and move on further. To select the contact list, we have multiple contact lists, and we can select it right over here to whom we want to send these automated WhatsApp messages. In order to select the contact list, you first have to create one. In order to create a contact list, you have to go on this contact section, and over here you can create contact lists and also add the contacts in your account. If you want to learn more about this contact section, the video tutorial is given in the description box below. You can refer to that. I've already created multiple lists, so I'm just going to choose list from this right over here. After we choose the list, over here it is saying refine audience. Over here you can choose the list to whom you don't want to send these bulk WhatsApp messages. Like this, you can exclude the new leads and just keep the old leads. Okay, now you can also exclude some specific contacts to whom you don't want to send these WhatsApp messages. You can also exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. For that, you have to switch on this button. Right now, these are old leads and I don't have any conversation with them right now in the last 24 hours, so I'm just going to keep it as off only. It is saying select the message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message from the left hand of the side, first of all you have to go on this template and then the template list section, and over here you have to create a new template like this in order to send. Okay, in order to create a new template, you have to go on this add template button and create one. Once you create this template, Meta is going to approve your template. After your template is approved, then you can select your WhatsApp template right over here. Apart from that, you can also send regular message like me. You just have to choose the message type and type the message right over here. So I'm just going to send the message, which is this. In this message, I want to bold some text. So in order to bold the text, what you have to do is you have to add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. So I want to bold this text, so I'm just going to simply add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. As you can see, I've successfully did this. Now let's just move on further. Over here, I want to also send the name of my lead with this message so that we can send personalized WhatsApp messages. For that, you just have to type $name right over here. I'll just let you know this is specifically for name only. For any another field, you can just go on the settings and then contact custom fields, or you can check out the video given in the description box below related to settings and you'll know more about this. Apart from that, I'll just let you know that this $name will be replaced with the name of your lead every time this message is sent. In a very short brief, I let you know this. Okay, now we have completed the message. Now let's just move on further. It is saying username and the phone number. Why is it asking me this? Because before sending it to multiple leads or customers, you just have to test this message. Okay, so in order to test this message, I am just going to simply enter the details right over here. First of all, I'm just going to enter the username and then I'm just going to move on further and enter the mobile number and click on this send test message button so that I can send this test message. This test broadcast is sent, so let's just open our workflow. We have received a new message and it looks perfectly fine. We can move on forward with this. Okay, so now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to schedule this broadcast. You have two options. You can schedule this broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send instantly, click on this no send instantly and then add button, and then the broadcast will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later, choose the date and time from this calendar right over here and simply schedule this message by clicking on this add button. Once you click on this add button, you're going to see yes, this broadcast is scheduled for 30th of June 4 p.m. successfully, and the broadcast name is old leads. Once this broadcast is going to be sent over here, you can see that we can view the stats of this broadcast. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. But after sent only you will be able to view the stats. And like this, we have learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages to our old leads so that we can re-engage them and we can see if we have some potential customers there too. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.